I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful, professional looking ebook using Canva, from designing the cover to formatting the inside pages with clean margins and stylish layouts. And if you stay until the end, you'll also learn how to access a completely free Canva crash course so you can continue learning even more. Let's get started. First, open your Canva account and click on Create. Change the unit from pixels to inches, set the width to 6 inches and the height to 9 inches, then create a new design. When your blank canvas appears, open the Designs tab on the left and search for ebook. Canva will display plenty of ready-made templates you can use right away. Choose one that fits your theme, and once it loads, start customizing your cover. Adjust the colors, fonts, backgrounds, images, your title, author name, and any branding elements you want to include. Take your time with this part because the cover is the first thing readers see. Once your cover looks polished, it's time to format your inside pages. Add a new page, then go to File, Open Settings, and enable rulers and guides. Drag the guides onto your canvas to create clean, consistent margins. This is one of the simplest ways to instantly make your ebook look more professional because it keeps every page balanced and easy to read. If your ebook is something like a cookbook, begin with a simple table of contents. Use the text tool to list your chapters or recipes so readers can navigate easily. Then start building your pages one by one. Add photos, headings, short descriptions, or long-form content depending on your style. You can include icons, section dividers, or simple shapes to make the layout feel more designed. For repeated layouts like recipes, tips, quotes, or blog-style sections, duplicate the page to keep everything consistent and save time. To maintain a clean look throughout your ebook, stick to the same fonts, color palette, and spacing on every page. This small habit creates a polished reading experience and helps your ebook feel intentional and cohesive. If you want to elevate your design even more, you can experiment with Canva's elements, subtle textures, or lightly styled backgrounds that match your brand's tone. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing so more people can discover simple Canva tips like this. And if you want to learn even more, you can access our free Canva crash course by checking the pinned comment below. And that's it. You've just created a full ebook using nothing but Canva. No complicated software, no messy formatting, and no design background required. Simple, clean, and creative. I'll see you in the next video.